Good to have you guys out bright and early this morning.
Well, thank you, Bill. It's good to be here.
You're here representing Frontera.
Right.
Tell me a little bit about what Frontera is.
Frontera provides heart, lung, and vascular diagnostic testing throughout Texas and Oklahoma. And we're very excited to be able to provide state-of-the-art testing such as our cardiopulmonary metabolic test now to the South Plains and West Texas. You know, the American Heart Association has a statistic that in 53% of men, the first sign of heart disease is a fatal heart attack.
Wow.
So if people would just be more proactive about their heart health and get tested, it could literally save their life.
Now, you know, we're talking about a system here that usually you have to go to a hospital to find things out like this, but you've got a whole new concept.
Right. We provide the testing at the primary care level, and that way the patient can have a state-of-the-art test done in a more convenient manner at their primary care physician.
Okay. Michael, tell us a little bit about what we're doing over here with the equipment. You've got a bike and an active rider of that bike, and then some diagnostic equipment over there.
Sure thing, Bill. I mean, the test itself, it's a state-of-the-art equipment that Frontera brings here, and it really helps the ordering physician to identify if that is a cardiovascular or a pulmonary limitation that the patient's having, or if they're just deconditioned. One of the key things is that timing is critical in detecting heart disease, and this test is done conveniently at that patient's office or that physician's office, and we get a report back to the physician in about a 2 to 3 day turnaround. And to kind of give you an example of how timing is so critical, an individual that we actually recently had saved his life, his name is Jesse. 39-year-old guy, young individual.
39.
Yeah,
Wow.
having some kind of vague symptoms. Went to his physician, said I'm having some shortness of breath, a little more so than normal when I exercise. And the doctor felt that it would really be beneficial for Jesse to have a cardiopulmonary test that Frontera provides. During the test, we found some pretty significant changes. This individual went straight from the physician's office to the hospital, and same day had a 5-vessel bypass. And this is a 39-year-old male.
5 vessels.
Yeah.
Wow, that is incredible. Okay, now, if somebody would like to take advantage of what you're offering, what do they do?
If they're a patient that would like to learn more about the testing, or if they're a physician who would like to implement this service in their practice, then they can go to www.teamfrontera.com.
Okay.
Or they can contact us at 972-387-5800.
Okay, now, whenever you get down to where the rubber meets the road and you come up with things like that, that a person's life was actually saved as a result of getting this early diagnosis, that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're very pleased to be able to provide this service, and we feel like that if it's widespread throughout the physician community, that we can catch heart disease and detect it at an early stage, which is very important, because if people will have this test done and something is detected, then through medication or possibly a procedure, they could live a normal, healthy life.
Okay. Now, the key to it is catching it early.
Absolutely.
So if you want to take advantage of this, as we said, you've already got the phone number and the website, and you guys are doing a marvelous work here. Appreciate you coming out this morning.
Well,
Nate.
thank you for having us.
You bet.
Great
Michael,
to be
thank
here.
you.
Thank you.
And thank the ladies that did all the work. We'll be back. Stay with us.